Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best toaster oven. So let's get started. Number 7. Compact Smart Oven. Electronic controls and preset cooking programs for bagels, cookies, and pizza up to an 11-inch pie make the Breville Compact Smart Oven super easy to use. It browned toast quickly, baked a beautiful cake, and roasted tender potatoes and chicken in our tests. A non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze. The control panel is also very intuitive and easy to use, and the stainless steel design feels solid. Lastly, there's something to say about an average 4.3-star rating on Amazon from nearly 2,000 reviewers. Number 6. Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. Although relatively compact, the stainless steel Cuisinart Deluxe Convection Toaster Oven broiler can roast a golden brown chicken in an hour and is almost as fast at toasting as a pop-up toaster. Its spacious interior can also fit a 13 pizza. Not to mention, it comes with a pizza stone. In addition to its roomy interior, it features multiple convection fan settings and can be programmed to dual cook, which means you can cook a chicken at one temperature to brown the skin and another to finish cooking it through. Number 5. Smart Toaster Oven Air. Need to feed a crowd? This toaster oven is enormous. Its 1 cubic foot interior holds 9 slices of bread, or a 5-quart Dutch oven. It toasts, bakes, and roasts so evenly and quickly, we'd actually consider tossing our full-size oven. You can even use it as an air fryer. This oven is one of the most intuitive to use with its very easy-to-read screen and control panel, and helpful rack position settings listed on the door. You'll rarely have to even think about setting a certain temperature or time. It's loaded with presets. Number 4. Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This is an air fryer toaster oven that can do it all. It includes 13 different cooking functions, including 5 different air fry settings from nuggets to vegetables, dehydrate, roast, and dual cook, and 2 different modes: convection setting and frozen, that can be used with multiple functions and settings. We loved how quickly and powerfully the air fry function worked. Chicken wings cooked up the crispiest, and so did French fries in the shortest cooking times. It toasted the most even bread, baked a golden brown cake, and cooked frozen pizza to perfection. It heated the quickest and seemed to get the hottest. The control panel was a little difficult to use, but the user guide was very useful and included a lot of cooking tips, recipes, and charts. We like the added bonus of being able to store the guide, loaded with recommended cooking times and rack positions, right below the oven. The stainless steel housing stayed cool during use, and all accessories were dishwasher safe. Number 3. Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven. We know counter space is not easy to come by, even when you have a lot of it. This air fryer toaster oven from Ninja flips up for storage and stands flush against your backsplash, so you don't have to choose between a new appliance and prep space. The bottom surface also releases so you can clean it easily. In our tests, the control panel was intuitive to use and easy to read. Bread toasted well and cake baked very evenly. We particularly liked the air crisp function that made crispy, yet moist wings. The air fry rack is large and offers ample cooking room, an especially good feature for air fryers that promotes air circulation for the crispiest results. Number 2. Flash Express Compact Toaster Oven. This highly rated toaster oven is compact. It will fit a 9-inch pizza and can automatically set the cooking time based on the food item selected from its presets. It features presets for toast, reheating waffles and rolls, and heating frozen foods like pizza and hash browns. We like that the rack is attached to the door, so it automatically pulls forward as you open it. Keep in mind that the oven will heat for a maximum of 25 minutes, so it's perfect for prepared frozen meals, but for longer bakes you'll have to restart it. Reviewers noted that the pan is difficult to clean and rusts easily. We suggest covering it with a fitted layer of foil before placing food on it. Number 1. Oster Large Digital Countertop Oven. This oven will toast 6 slices of bread or cook a 12-inch frozen pizza, whole chicken, or pan of brownies. There is only one rack, but there are 2 rack positions, so you can fit taller foods or pans. While this is rated to hold a 9x 13-inch pan, it has to be one without handles. A straight-sided metal baking pan will fit no problem. Your 9x 13-inch Pyrex dish will be too long. Many customers rave about the toaster oven's versatility. Preset cooking functions include bake, convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, defrost, and warm. The functions offer a suggested time and temperature, but you can adjust both for your recipe. For the toast function, you can set it for light through dark toasting.